Dennis Simpson for the month of October in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas. Dennis, what the heck are you doing so close up in the camera and letting all the, what was that shot? Hot Springs Village and Arkansas are known for having significant weather. Is that fair? Well, we have a lot of rain and I love it. See how green it is? This is October the 3rd, the third day of October. It is 84 degrees today. We're supposed to get rain maybe early next week. But it's 84 degrees. I met Mike Montgomery and his wife, Kristen Montgomery, who have bought a property here in Hot Springs Village, a big commercial property. They got great plans, and man, I'm looking forward to it. But Mike had a great comment. They have a great journey story, and that is that they woke up in Minnesota one morning with their Jeep CJ and the 8-foot snowplow on front of their Jeep CJ, and they had already had that year 116 inches of snow, and a blizzard was on the way. And their answer was, we're going to get out of here. Where are we going? I don't know. Someplace warm, okay, where we don't have that much snow. So Kristen, who's a broker, a real estate broker, looked it up and she said, well, this Hot Springs place looks pretty cool. Let's go to Hot Springs. Oh, look, there's a place called Hot Springs Village, a lot of golf. Let's try that. And it's on Coronado Golf Course. And so they got there and they brought their 2 small puppies and came down, thought it was beautiful, thought it was relaxing. I'm going to quote their exact phrases. Hope you don't mind, Mike. But Mike said, they got up the next morning, they came outside, and it was 68 degrees. The dogs were running around and loving it, and it was wonderful. And it was still winter. I said, excuse me? He said, yeah, it was like March. I said, let me explain something to you. In Arkansas, March is not winter anymore. We got November, okay, it's fall, and mostly that's not either. So basically the last couple of weeks of December, January, February, if we have a snow, it'll typically be in late January to early February, while the horses are already running, by the way, at Oaklawn. But by March, man, if we have a March snow, that's kind of rare. It starts warming back up. We got springy things by late March. It's beautiful. Trying to give you an idea of what the weather's like in Hot Springs Village. These trees behind me very quickly, yeah, you're going to see some change. And I want to make note, I've never done this before where, you see this shot as the same shot that we do things to do, every week where we cut that show. A wonderful show. Glad we're able to do it. I hope that in the years to come, we can see the progression of how this changed, but it has been blue sky, gorgeous green grass, gorgeous green sky, green trees every time I've shot it. And I don't just say, okay, well, I got to shoot this between this and this. It's just been a really beautiful summer, really beautiful time. In 8th grade, I was compelled by my educators to have a course in Arkansas history, which had I known, I would have thanked them for at the time, but wonderful thing. In Arkansas history, one of the things that the immigrants that came to this area that were Scottish and Irish and English, and Teresa Diane, English, you Wales people, one of the things that they wrote back to their families was that they were so thrilled that in Arkansas they could get 2, yes, count them, 2 crops a year. So it was the land of plenty. It was bountiful. You didn't have to work that hard to provide a food and sustenance for your family the entire year. Let that sink in. From the beautiful shores of Lake DeSoto, we'll throw in some drone shots, let you see how pretty it is, and we'll start doing some stuff. Hey, listen, I wanted to let you know, there are weeks when we make 5 and 6 shows a week, nearly a show a day, and there are other times, not so much. We are in a intentionally slow period right now because we have the Queen Wilhelmina State Park in the can. We have the Little Missouri Falls in the can. We have Crystal Mountain Vista in the can. We have Petit Jean in the van. We have a handicap show about Petit Jean in the can. We have so many opportunities for you to know what to do in roughly an hour circumference of radius of Hot Springs Village. You never knew. You never knew. But lots of things coming up. Dennis Simpson from the beautiful, stinking gorgeous shores. It is 78 degrees on the back deck here today. You need to get you some of this. Hot Springs Village. We will. See you next time. 501-617-9747. Whether you're buying, selling, or just considering. Oh, we don't need a realtor yet. Yes, you do. Don't delay. Call Jana. 501-617-9747.
Hot Springs Village Venues is brought to you by KVRE at 92.9 and streaming worldwide on iHeartRadio. KVRE is your family-owned local hometown radio station, so be sure and tune in for live local programming, news, sports, and information every day at 92.9. HSV Radio. HSV Radio is heard every Saturday morning at 9 a.m. or streaming on any of the major platforms. Hot Springs Village Radio is an eclectic mix of music, motivation, great music history, and Saturday morning fun. Join us every Saturday morning at 9 a.m., 92.9. And brought to you by the Hot Springs Village Voice, Hot Springs Village only newspaper, also serving all of Saline and Garland County. Your local newspaper for local events. No one else has more local news than the Hot Springs Village Voice about the Hot Springs Village area. Sign up today at hsvvoice.com or call 501-623-6397. Again, that's 501-623-6397. Located at 3576 North Highway 7 in Hot Springs Village, Arkansas, just in front of Walmart. Brought to you by Gotta Go Vacations. www.gottagovacations.com. Troy Woods and Patrick Cunningham at 501-204-4805 can help you with any of your travel needs. Patrick and Troy have been airline stewards for decades, and their experience and their travel can serve you well. GottaGoVacations.com, again, that's GottaGoVacations.com, can help you book the perfect tour for you, whether it's a riverboat cruise up the Mississippi or the Rhine. These guys are who you need to call. 501-204-4805. Troy or Patrick, 501-204-4805. GottaGoVacations.com. D&D Village Properties. Hot Springs Village only short-term rental with over 2,100 five-star reviews. All properties are lakefront. They include complimentary kayaks, hot tub, pet-friendly, and a stunning view of the lake. Visit DD Village Prop today for your vacation getaway.